Oh.
145. I mean, we can stop the stairs. Yeah. What even is that?
What is it? Is it traditional?
I can't tell. It's old. It doesn't work.
Is it?
No. Oh wait. Oh,
There it is.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Children are not allowed on this elevator by themselves.
Yeah.
Don't
Jason,
worry,
you can't ride it.
Sorry for getting in the way.
Yeah, you just like totally got in everyone's way. I believe this is a Vertrans elevator.
And we can't get out here because the door is locked. So what's it up to do?
Let's listen to the motor.
As you can see,
Interesting. Look at that door volt switch right here.
up there.
Now the door will stay open. Okay.
That's weird.
Alright, now. Let it close. Oh. That will be